Hi, this is Emmanuel for Science. This is 2022 examination questions. So this is question 2. Under question 2, we've got A, B, and in each of those, we've sub-questions. So let's delve into these questions so that to be able to solve them. Okay, so the figure 2.1 shows a table of substances absorbed by plants from the soil. So with oxygen here, with nitrates, with potassium, we also have water. So from the figure 2.1, identify the substances, okay, or the substance which enters the plant by osmosis, active transport, diffusion. Okay, so osmosis, the substance that enters a plant using osmosis here is water. This is water. And then active transport with nitrates and potassium. Diffusion with gases. So all gases enter the plant by the process called diffusion. So diffusion. So oxygen enters the plant by the process called diffusion. So oxygen should be here. Okay, so 3 marks for doing that. You also come to the other question, which is B. So you're given a figure here. Is a graph showing the effect of pH on the rate of enzyme controlled reaction N and O. Okay, so this is the graph that you're given here. Okay, this is N and this is the O. Okay, so the first question is saying what term is given to the parts labeled X and Y. So X and Y. What term best describes these parts that have been represented by X and Y? Okay, so under X and Y, we have what we call the optimum pH. So this point here and here are called the optimum pH. The optimum pH. So this is where the enzyme works on its best, or at its best. It is at point X and Y where the enzyme is expected to work at its best. Okay, so the other question is saying which reaction is under acidic conditions. So remember that we've got two reactions, the N reaction as well as the O reaction. So how do we identify which one works well under acidic, or which one is working under acidic conditions? Let's look at the optimum temperature. Remember, look at this. This is a pH scale which is ranging from 1 up to 14. So if you look at it properly, you see that the pH at X is falling at 4 here, the value. So anything below 7 is acidic. So 4 is an acidic value. So meaning that X is working under acidic conditions. If you look at Y is beyond 7, and anything beyond 7 is basic, so it's working in basic media. So Y is in basic media. So the one which is working under the reaction that is working under acidic conditions is actually N. So reaction N. So reaction N is the one that is operating under acidic conditions. And this is how you answer questions of this nature. I'm sure this helps. Please like, share this video so that you help our friends that are still struggling with biology, so that to help them understand these concepts and to prepare them for the exam. Thank you so much. Once again, Emmanuel Sagambuta for Science. Thank you.